How's it going, guys? I figured I'd make a short video, and we went to the pet store to get crickets for the leopard gecko and some for the bearded dragon for Jack right there. And my buddy Robert got a baby cockatiel in, and he was fixing to feed it. So I actually got some video of him feeding that. As you can see, the sand boa is eating. He's been eating every Friday. I don't know if you can see in there. He's got a pinky in there and he's eating it. I'll feed him every Friday. Anyway, guys, here's the footage for the baby cockatiel eating. I hope y'all enjoy it. It's crazy. See how his gullet's all full now? That's where he stores all the food till they eat it. You're full, chicken. That's enough. Okay, guys. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching the little baby cockatiel eat. As always, guys, I'll see you on the next video.